Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video for you guys. I'm doing a get ready with me for a pool party. I know, it's pretty exciting. I haven't been to a pool party in a long time. Our friends just rebuilt their pool, their outdoor pool, and they have like a cabana there. It looks so beautiful. So we're gonna go lay out in the sun, have some cocktails, and just relax. And this video is in partnership with JCPenney, which makes this video extra special and very nostalgic for me because I was obsessed with JCPenney growing up. My mom used to take us there at least once a month, and it was my favorite thing to do, my favorite store. I would just go in there and look at all the makeup. So this is very nostalgic for me, and I'm so happy that I'm able to partner with them now. So it's kind of like a full circle moment for me right now. So I'm really excited. So I went shopping and whoa, there goes one of my products. But I found some amazing products that you guys are gonna love because I'm honestly obsessed with all of them. Let me just show you this look a little close up. It's so good. So stick around. This look comes together super fast, and thank you again to JCPenney for partnering with me on this video. Also, don't freak out if you see like little red splotches on my chest or my neck. It's really hot in here and I get heat flashes, and I'll just kind of start splotching randomly when it's like really hot. I turned my AC off so I can film this video, so I'm a little bit hot right now. This look is gonna come together pretty fast because I have about 7 products and that's the whole look. It's super easy. Again, this is a pool makeup look, so obviously the less product, the better. I've already prepped my skin with skincare and my brows are freshly laminated, so we don't have to worry about that. Let's dive in because I'm excited to get this look going. So the first product I picked up from JCPenney was a tinted sunscreen. I obviously don't want to be wearing foundation when I'm outside, and I need SPF, so I got the Unsun Mineral Tinted Face Sunscreen Lotion, SPF 30, and it's also water resistant. I have it in the shade light medium. I've been testing it out, and honestly, it's really good. It has enough coverage to take away redness, so I'm just gonna blend this in with my sponge. It has a really pretty kind of like glow to it, but it doesn't make you look oily. You can already see the glow. It is water resistant, so I feel like if I do go for a swim, it'll be totally fine. I'm actually gonna add just a tiny bit more since I'm not doing any concealer or anything like that. I wanna add a tiny bit under my eyes just to kind of brighten. The goal with this makeup is to look like you have no makeup on, that you're just like glowing from within. So that's what we're going for. Next, I'm gonna add some cream bronzer. I definitely wanna look very bronzy and tanned. And I actually picked up the I Meme multi-stick shading. It's such a good shade. I've also been wearing this all week, and it's very creamy. Like, it's super easy to apply. It doesn't lift anything underneath. So I'm just gonna basically bronze it up. Here. Once I blend this out, it'll look so much better. Look at that color. This color is so good and it blends out so freaking easy. And actually all the products that I am using today from JCPenney are all brands that are new to me. That's what I wanted. I wanted to just try out new brands that I've never tried before, and I'm so impressed with every single one of them. Every single one of these products, you guys will see, they're really good. This product though, you like barely have to tap it and it just like melts into your skin, which is so great. Now that we're looking very bronzed and tanned, I have to add some blush, and I actually picked up the Mineral Fusion 3-in-1 color stick, and this is in the shade Berry Glow. Honestly, probably my new favorite blush, and it's very tiny. So I was like, oh, is this gonna last me? It's gonna last me for the rest of the year because it's so pigmented. You only need a tiny bit, and this color is so pretty. And then I put like a tiny bit on my nose. Look at that blush. I'm already gonna let you guys know that this is gonna be my summer routine whenever I go anywhere. This is how I wanna look. This is what I'm gonna do. So I obviously have to add some glow, even though we're already glowing. I wanna like pinpoint the glow. So I got the Unsun, same brand as the tinted moisturizer. This is such a good brand. So this is the Face and Body Highlighter, also with SPF 15, and it's the Golden Angel shade. I'm actually gonna take it with me and apply some to like my collarbone, my shoulders. That way when like I'm directly in the sun, I just have this like little glow going on. Just a tiny bit here on my nose and the other side. Okay, how pretty. I can't wait to put this on all over. I'm wearing this like gold cover up. So I wanted to incorporate some type of gold just so that when I'm again directly in the sun, it just like kind of all, you know, flows together. So I'm gonna use the Citizen Cosmetics Citizen Gold Eye Shimmer. This stuff is really, really pigmented. Just the tiniest amount. It's very shimmery and like sparkly. So again, when I'm in direct sunlight, it'll look so good. Okay, I'm gonna take these out, fix my hair. I'm gonna put on a little bit of a waterproof mascara, again, just in case I end up swimming, which I feel like I will. The weather is just honestly so great today that I might as well. But this is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Waterproof Mascara. I've actually used this one for years. It's a really good, affordable mascara. This one's great if you want length and separation. Okay, the last thing I want to do is my lips. I want to have like juicy watermelon looking kind of lips. I don't want to do lipstick or lip gloss just because those wear off pretty easily. So I found on the website a lip tint, and this is like the perfect, this is like my dream color of a lip tint. It's also by the brand I Meme, and it has like the cutest little keychain on it, so you can like hook it up to your purse or your beach bag and just take it with you, which is great. Has that gorgeous watermelon color, so I'm excited to wear this out today. I do like a tiny bit because again, it's like a lip stain. It is a lip stain. You only need a little bit. Honestly, I feel like this would even work great on the cheeks. I probably should have tried that. Okay, so that is it. That is a finished pool party look. What do you think? I'm honestly so excited, you guys. I haven't been to like a pool party or any kind of outdoor party in probably 2 years, so I'm excited. I'm gonna go change into my little beach cover up, put on more of that body glow, and have a mimosa and just hang out by the pool. I'll link every single product that I used below so you guys can also check those out. The blush and like the tinted sunscreen is probably one of my favorites. And again, all these products are available on JCPenney Beauty, so check the links below, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see like the pool party or what I end up wearing, definitely follow me on Instagram. It probably will be up on my stories. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.